Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for turning the notifications on. Get some warm water and place your feet in it for several minutes to lower the high blood pressure. This old method works really well. Drink the easy-made drink that involves 2 ingredients, easily obtained from a grocery store. Just buy any mineral water and squeeze 1 large lemon into the mineral water. This method has worked well for hypertension. Also includes some tips of what foods to avoid, like sodium-rich foods, canned foods that are either high in sodium or sugar, alcohol,